Fabulous. I have my wig here from Fabulosity Hair. If I have a discount code, I'll put it down below in the description bar, and the link for this wig will also be down below in the description bar. Your wig comes in like a satin bag like this with a drawstring, so that way you can store it when you get done wearing it. And then they also sent this nice big bonnet. These are great because if you wear braided wigs to sleep, honey, you got all this room to store your braided wig. What you have is a frontal wig, so it's a frontal in the front, and then in the back there's no lace in the back. So this is what the front of the unit looks like. It looks like a 13x6. They also give you the elastic band, and then you have adjustable straps in here as well. So the back of the cap is like a fishnet stocking. It has a lot of braids on here. It's very, very long, like maybe 30 plus inches. I want to say, ooh, maybe about 34, 38 inches. You guys know I love my wigs long, so this is my preference. I'll also, because I'm not going to get asked, is it heavy? Is it heavy? Please keep in mind, this is a full braided wig. This is like when you go to the shop bald head like I am and walk out with a full head of braids. There is going to be an adjustment period because there are weight to the braids. So yes, it is heavy, but it's just like getting your hair braided. Like once you wear it for a day or so, you're used to the weight, you know what I mean? So this is what it looks like, very neat, long. These are the ends. Very, very pretty. It does have baby hairs. It has a braid right here with the baby hairs. So the knots are bleached. And this is brown Swiss lace. What I'm gonna do, guys, is go ahead and put some powder on her. I'm just gonna use some of my contour powder. I'm gonna put it on the inside of the cap to make it look a little bit more darker so that it blends in with my skin, because I am really, really tan right now. I'm gonna remove this braid for the baby hairs so that way I can glue my hair down, and then we'll go about styling and all that good stuff. So let me get started here. And guys, for my glue today, I'm just using my Got2b glue products. This is the Ultra Glue Gel and the Blasting Free Spray, which look horrible. I'm gonna be using these today. I'm actually gonna go ahead and start putting on a layer so that it can start drying. I wanna put like 2 or 3 layers on. You could also use a blow dryer too. Let me insert some music to keep you guys company. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. Hopefully it's melted in really good. And I'll go ahead and customize the baby hairs and all that good stuff. You don't have to rock baby hairs. You can definitely cut those off if you want to, but you guys know how I am about my baby hairs. can't get over how beautiful this wig is. Like, I'm trying to like customize it, you know, as best as I can, you know. But baby, she is gorgeous. And like the weight, I thought it was gonna be like, you know, heavy, but it feels good. Like, it feels good and it looks beautiful. Look at these braids. Look at this lace. Y'all don't understand. I'm just putting a little bit of powder on it so that it matches my skin tone, and like the lace is just disappearing, which is freaking insane. I don't mind, of course. This is just oh my God, I cannot wait to take my pictures. Darling. Oh, she is gorgeous. I'm gonna do like a stand-up shot where I can show you guys how long the wig is and everything. She is gorgeous. And like I said, this is a lace frontal, so that you can pull some of the braids back and style it however you wish. And it's knotless braids, so they're going to bend and conform to the style of your choosing. You guys know I love a middle part, so I normally do a middle part, but ooh, they're just laying flat. Ugh. Come on, Fabulosity hair, y'all just be killing it, baby. Baby, okay. Oh, she is gorgeous. Like, guys, I'm not good at braiding, especially with these nails this long, but if you wanted to, like, you could braid these back on both sides. Like, it just lays so flat on top. I love how long these braids are. Wow. Okay, so Bells, you can see the versatility of this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful and amazing, and I'm so excited about it. And I love how long sis is. Bobo, she is long. It is so beautiful. I'm happy. I'm super duper happy, and I love the fact that I can do different hairstyles and it still stays flat on top. You know, and it's not too bulky. It's enough hair on it that it's filled in. And the braids are just so perfect, and the lace just girl, I am just over the moon. Anyways, so like I said, this is from Fabulosity Hair. This is their knotless frontal wig. So like I said, it's a frontal in the front and like a fishnet cap in the back. And I haven't lost any braids or anything. And you guys see I've been manipulating her for like the last 20 minutes. So sis is beautiful. She is beautiful. So I'll have a link for her down below in the description bar. Go get her. Go get her right now. Don't wait. Don't sleep on it. This is going to be great for the rest of summer into the fall and winter months. And you can keep your hair, your natural hair, protected underneath it without having to have, you know, all the heavy braids in your hair, especially if you're like me and you already have thin hair. So like, this is just a great protective hairstyle, and it's the bomb. Boo boo. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. Hope that you enjoyed this video and this wig. Leave me comments down below. Give me hearts. Give me love. And of course, thumbs up and share this video. So I will catch you guys next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.